In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the to-do taskbar in Outlook. The to-do bar is a handy panel that keeps your calendar, people, and tasks visible while you work, so you don't have to jump between windows. Let's set it up together and add your first task. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook. Give it a moment to load your inbox. You can follow along from Mail, Calendar, or any main view. The controls we need are available across the app. Next, look to the very top of the screen and click the View tab on the ribbon. This is where Outlook groups options that change how things look. If your ribbon is minimized, just click the small arrow to expand it so you can see the full set of buttons. Now, find and click To Do Bar. When you select it, you'll see a menu of items you can show or hide. This is the switchboard for what appears in the panel. Choose what you want to display. Most people start with tasks and often add calendar and people. Tasks shows your task list and any flagged emails. Calendar shows a mini month view with upcoming appointments, and people shows your favorite contacts. You can turn each one on or off, and Outlook will remember your choices the next time you open it. As soon as you pick your options, the to-do bar appears on the right side of Outlook. It docks there so you can glance at it while reading or composing email. If the panel looks narrow, hover over its left edge until you see a double arrow, then drag to resize for more room to read. Within that panel, find the field labelled Type a New Task. It sits in the Task section, usually near the top. If you don't see it, return to the to-do bar menu and make sure Tasks is selected, then come back to the panel. Click inside the box to place your cursor and get ready to add your item. Type the task name and press enter. Keep task names short and action focused, like call the vendor or draft status update. Pressing enter immediately saves the task and adds it to your list, so it's captured without disrupting your workflow. You can keep typing to add more tasks the same way, one after another. That's it. With the to-do bar visible and your first task added, you've got an always-on dashboard that keeps priorities front and center while you work in Outlook.